Welcome to Believe Industry Company. Today, we are showcasing our medium-speed cable tray roll forming machine, specifically engineered to support Saudi Arabia's rapidly expanding infrastructure. Cable trays are the structural backbone of modern electrical systems, safely organizing and supporting heavy power and data cables. The most common types include perforated, solid bottom, and ladder-style trays. A complete, professional installation also relies on essential structural components like splice plates, mounting brackets, T's, and bends to navigate complex industrial facilities safely. Our production process begins with a heavy-duty uncoiler and leveler, ensuring the steel feeds perfectly flat. A precision servo feeder drives the material into the hydraulic punching machine. This station continuously punches the precise mounting and ventilation holes, and can even stamp your custom company logo into the metal. After punching, the steel is cut into uniform sheets. A motorized conveyor then seamlessly transports these sheets directly into the main roll forming unit. Inside the main roll forming section, we utilize a width-adjustable duplex mill. This allows operators to easily and quickly change profile widths to meet different project demands. Driven by a highly durable chain and gear transmission, the machine is equipped with premium CR12 tool steel rollers, guaranteeing an exceptionally long production life. Finally, an integrated straightener ensures every finished tray exits with flawless, distortion-free straightness. Upgrade your electrical manufacturing today. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more machinery showcases.